Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a full body workout that's perfect if you're an absolute beginner. And the best part? No jumping. So if you're just starting your fitness journey or want something easy on your joints, you're in the right place. Let's get moving. Before we start, let's warm up our body to avoid injuries. Follow along with me. Neck holes, 10 seconds each direction. Shoulder circles, 10 forward, 10 backward. Torso twists, 20 seconds, march in place. 30 seconds. All right, now we're ready. Structure, 6 exercises. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Repeat twice for a longer workout. 1. Standing side step with arm swings. Step to the side. Swing your arms gently. This wakes up your upper and lower body without impact. 2. Wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall, hands shoulder-width apart. Bend your elbows and push back. Great for chest, arms, and shoulders. 3. Seated leg lifts. Can use a chair. Sit tall. Lift one leg at a time. This strengthens your thighs and core, perfect if you're avoiding strain. 4. Knee lifts with reach. Lift one knee while reaching opposite arm overhead. Slow and controlled. This engages your core and improves balance. 5. Seated side bends. Sitting or standing, slide one hand down your leg while the other arm reaches overhead. Great for your sides and flexibility. 6. Calf raises. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise onto your toes and lower down. Excellent for lower legs and balance. Great job. Let's cool down. Shoulder stretch, 10 seconds each side. Hamstring stretch, 20 seconds each leg. Deep breathing. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Repeat 3 times. You did amazing today. Remember, even small steps count toward your fitness goals. If you enjoyed this workout, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly routines, and share this with a friend who's just getting started. See you in the next video.